line, merge together, fill. It brightens the face. If you don't really want to wear hardly any makeup, put this on and it will give you the look that you've actually made a little bit of effort.
Yeah.
If you've been looking for that nude shade that goes with everything in your wardrobe, this is the shade you'll want to wear. Very creamy, very moisturising. It's got a lovely sheen to it. Can you see? Because it's got this pencil, you can really hug the shape of your lip. This is very chic, very neutral, but it does have a nice impact to it. Even if you just had a plain t-shirt and jeans on, that would look really, really lovely. Yeah. In all my 25 years as a makeup artist, when I've gone and worked with the thousands of women that I've worked with, I always seek out these colours, and I've managed to work with a brand to make the colours for me, and I've put them in a trio for you. Wait till you try them. They'll work with everything in your wardrobe, every occasion, every mood, and they elevate your look. So even if you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, you can put these on and it's one and done. Use code 20 for 20% off 3 mature makeup must-haves in my store, Beauty and the Boutique.